Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today, Apple released iPhone 13 here in the Philippines. Let's unbox and do a review of this device. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the box. What we have here is the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max 256GB version. As you can see, the box is still thin like last year because they did not include any power adapter. And also, if you will notice, there's no plastic anymore. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so this is the device. Let's set that aside for the moment. And let's check what's inside the box. So what we have here is a USB-C to Lightning cable. And also some manual and stickers. Let's check the design. The color is Sierra Blue, and as you can see, it's super light blue. The blue is really faded. The design is still the same as last year. It's a boxy design. The side is still stainless steel and a fingerprint magnet. At this side, you will see the power button. The other side, the volume buttons and the SIM tray. At the bottom, we have the Lightning charging port, the speaker, and the mic. And if you will notice, the camera of iPhone 13 is also a little bigger than the previous model. Next, for the spec, it has Gorilla Glass both at the front and at the back. The front has ceramic shield to make the glass more durable. It is also IP68 dust and water resistant, up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The screen size is 6.7 inches and the display is a Super Retina XDR OLED, and at last, Apple implemented 120Hz refresh rate in an iPhone. The resolution is still the same as the previous model with 1284 by 2778 pixels and 458 ppi density. For the chipset, it has the new A15 Bionic 5nm chip. The CPU is still a 6-core, but the GPU now has 5 cores. For the internal storage, iPhone 13 Pro Max can have 128GB and a maximum of 1TB of storage. The RAM is still the same as the previous model. It's still 6GB of RAM. And as you will notice, the notch now became small. And the front camera is still the same as the previous model. It's still a 12 megapixel camera. At the back, we still have the 3 camera. All of them still have 12 megapixels. And as I mentioned, they became a little bit bigger than the previous model. And also, we still have the LiDAR scanner. For the main wide camera, it can accept now more light with 1.9 micron pixel. And the f-stop now is 1.5. It also still has the censorship OIS. For the telephoto lens, it is now 3 times optical zoom and still has the OIS. For the ultra-wide camera, it has now a macro shot. The maximum video resolution is 4K at 60 FPS. It also has this new cinematic video mode. And soon, Apple will support ProRes video. And finally, for the battery, it now has a 4352 milliamperes of battery, meaning it will last much longer than iPhone 12 Pro Max. MagSafe and fast charging are still supported. So that's it, guys. Soon, I will be comparing this with iPhone 12 Pro Max and Galaxy S21 Ultra. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for you to get notified when I uploaded that video. See you on the next one.